Yeah, hello friends, welcome to Kishan's University of Sustainability. We are in line with Sustainable Development Goals of United Nations, which are 17 goals with 116 targets. Those goals are going to implement by the year 2030 with the collaboration of all the governments at international level and all the companies and with all the stakeholders who are involved in that. And here in this video, we are going to discuss about the sustainability corporate news, which is related to BCG and IBM and European Union, and as well as sustainability news from China, Canada, and as well from United Nations climate body. So here, the first news item which is related to the BCG, and here the BCG launches offering invest in climate focused ventures. Here, the BCG Boston Consulting Group and its corporate innovation focused on that is BCG Digital Ventures announced the launching of BCG Green Ventures. It is a new offering and the team aimed at supporting the development and growth of climate action focused technologies and businesses. Many corporates have already committed to ambitious ESG and sustainability goals. So achieving these sustainability goals will take a strong embrace of innovation. So in this way, the BCG Green Ventures will play a key role in supporting companies in this work and building a sustainable future. And the BCG Green Ventures will initially focus on high impact decarbonization ventures, which are targeting the largest cross sector sources of green gas emissions to drive climate action. And the company will partner with corporates to invest and to build and scale sustainable businesses while supporting the corporations on the transition to new zero economy, that is net zero economy. The companies also stated that BCG Green Ventures will invest in each venture, aligning more closely with the corporate partners, which are helping to ensure scalable impact. And this is about the news item related to BCG company. And the next news item related to IBM. The IBM sets a broad range of environmental sustainability goals. The global technology company IBM announced a series of 21 new environmental sustainability goals, including new and updated targets for renewable energy and water conservation and sustainable supply chain solutions. And the goals announced with the release of IBM's 2020 IBM and the Environment Report. And these targets will reach net zero greenhouse gas emissions by 2030. They're focusing on actual emissions reduction and with the interim goal to reduce the GHG emissions by 65% by 2050. The IBM's new environmental goals fall under the categories of energy, climate change, conservation, and biodiversity, pollution prevention and waste management, supply chain and value chain, and management systems. And these are about IBM's sustainability goals. And the next news item in this video, we are going to discuss about the investors group rush for vote on climate company climate strategies. There are 53 major investors group is there. So those group which is going to represent 14 trillion US dollars assets. They called and greater accountability and transparency from companies on their climate strategies in order to progress their net zero aligned investment portfolio and investment efforts. So here in this statement published by the Institutional Investors Group on Climate Change, that is IIGCC, this group basically, majorly focusing on the climate change initiatives, how the company is offering, how the group is going to invest in the climate change offering, products. So here the statement released by this group, investor position statement, requesting for companies provide disclosure on their efforts, which should be reach net zero goals. And to address the issues, the statement argues companies to undertake a series of key actions should improve the consistency, transparency, and accountability. And the next news item, which is related to Canada bids to host International Sustainability Standards Board. That is International Sustainability Standards Board headquarters. And the International Financial Reporting Standards Foundation, that is IFRS, is looking to establish the ISSB, that is International Sustainability Standards Board, in order to address the emerging need of global sustainability reporting standards. In October 2020, the IFRS initiated a consultation process seeking input on potential formation of Global Sustainability Reporting Standards Board. And in that, IFRS launches a working group, including other sustainability and standards focused organizations. And this board will lead focusing on information that material decisions of investors, lenders, and other creditors, beginning with climate related issues and extending to other ESG matters. And the next news item related to UN climate body publishes net zero roadmap for financial markets. The United Nations climate change that is tasked with supporting the global response to the threat of climate change, announced the release of Climate Action Pathway, that is 2021, which is aiming to provide a roadmap for financial markets to align with global net zero goals and finance the transition to 1.5 degree future. And among the key goals, the roadmap are ensuring that financial decisions incorporate climate change considerations, including adjusting price signals, profit motives to account for negative spillover effects. And by 2050, the financial markets, institutions, and systems are in place to support and fund a resilient zero carbon economy and society, ensuring that temperature rise remains limited to 1.5 degrees Celsius. This market alignment has been achieved through corresponding alignment implemented in all areas of government, business, human settlements in partnership with civil society. So as a result, flows of capital have been redirected to sustainable and climate resilient products. And the next sustainability news item related to China launches world's largest carbon market. The China officially launched its national carbon emissions trading scheme, that is ETS, and creating a largest carbon market in the world. The ETS aims to contribute to the country's efforts to control and reduce carbon emission and foster low carbon development. While planned for several years, the ETS is being initiated shortly after China's long-term climate goals, which include achieving climate neutrality by 2060 and interim goal of to reach peak emissions prior to 2030. And the next news item related to European Commission launches new sustainable finance strategy. The European Commission announced the adoption of series of initiatives which are aiming to promoting a more sustainable financial system and help facilitate the necessary investments to advance the European Union's and global climate goals. The measures include new sustainable financial strategy, proposed regulations on voluntary basis, that is European Green Bond standards, and specification regarding sustainability information to be disclosed by companies under EU taxonomy. And Today's sustainable financial strategy is a key to generate private finance to reach our climate targets and tackle other environmental hazards. And also focusing to create sustainable funding opportunities for small and medium-sized companies. And we will work with our international partners to deepen cooperation, sustainable finance, and global challenges. Call for global action. This is mentioned by European Commission in their timeline. Thank you very much for your patience listening. So I hope you definitely get some sustainable new information today. If you feel this is informative and will get something new information today, thank you very much. And please click on subscribe button and share, like. Thank you so much.